Hi, I'm Jeannie Helm. I've been at Lord for 20 years and I'm a quality control technician. I was the vending person. I filled the vending machines here. I was here 3 times a week and got to know people. The guy that was in charge of hiring for the cleaning people asked me if I wanted to switch jobs. I worked doing that for about, I'd say just a little over a year. Basically, I just test products. I'd make batches and then I mainly did the tapping, filling syringes and packaging. It can't go out the door unless it gets through us first. It's got to pass QC. Each one's different. I think it's cool because you get to actually see what these products do. You start out with a liquid and it turns into a solid. I've learned a lot here. I really have learned a lot. Knowledge that I never dreamed I would know. The people here made it so easy to stay, and plus they give you opportunity for growth. I never got bored here. Like I said, you can't find better people to work for. They're like family. It makes you want to try, the best you can. They gave me an opportunity that I didn't ever think I would have. If you're willing to try and you want to go further, they'll let you.